Hello students, good morning and welcome to your beautiful channel that is 33.physics for you. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss the third type of logic gate. Now look, if we have a simple circuit in which here we have connected a battery and let us say here we have connected a bulb. Let us say this battery is having voltage V and here we have connected a switch parallel to bulb. Let us say switch A. Only one switch is there, right? So remember, for one switch power will be 2 raised to n, that is 2 raised to 1 is 2. Only two options are possible, that is either switch A is open or switch A is closed. So let us say for this thing, if we say that if switch A is open, then obviously current will not flow through switch A because it is open. So the current will flow through bulb, right? Whatever current is flowing in the circuit will flow through bulb, and this implies that we can say that bulb will be on. Bulb will be on, right? In the same way, if switch A is closed, right? If switch A is closed, in that case this will be short circuit and maximum current will flow through switch A because it represents zero resistance. So current will be maximum and bulb will be on. So in second condition, if switch A is closed, this implies that bulb will be off because maximum current will flow to the switch. So if we represent this in a tabular form, then you can say that bulb A and switch A and bulb B. Now here we can clearly see that we have only two inputs, right? Here we have only two inputs, A is open or A is closed. If A is open, then bulb will be on, and if A is closed, bulb will be off, right? So it means that if you represent this in the form of truth table, then we have input A and output Y. Either A is open or it is closed. When A is open, bulb is on means 1, and when A is closed, bulb is off, that is 0. So here you can say that Y is not A. What is A? That is not Y, right? If A is 1, Y is 0, and if Y is 0, A is 1. So you can say that here Y is not A. Here Y is not A, right? That's why we can say that the circuit diagram or this kind of logic operation is NOT gate because it is not A. So it is known as NOT gate. Now the circuit symbol for NOT gate is like this. You have to remember this. Here we have only one input A. Remember, for a NOT gate, input should always be 1. And here we have a bubble and here the output. Remember, this bubble is an important quantity because this bubble will represent NOT condition. So here Y is equal to A bar. There is Boolean equation will be, Boolean equation is Y is equal to not A means A bar. Bar will represent inverse, that is if 0 is there you will write 1, and if it is 1 then you should write 0. So this is circuit symbol, this is Boolean equation, right? And this is the truth table for NOT gate. Now this NOT gate plays an important role. Suppose if we put the NOT gate at the output of OR gate, say for example, let us say we have a OR gate over here. This is OR gate, right? Input A and B. Here we have input A and input B, right? The output of OR gate is Y1, let me write, is equal to A or B. Now if this output of OR gate is connected to NOT gate, right? If output of OR gate is connected to NOT gate, then you will get something like this: Y is equal to Y1 bar. Look, in NOT gate, whatever is input, right? Input is A, so here you got A bar. Here input is Y1, so output will be Y1 bar. So therefore here Boolean equation will be, Y is equal to Y1. Y1 is actually A plus B whole bar, right? This will be the Boolean equation. Now if you want to draw a truth table for this, then we will require A, then we will require B, then we will require Y1, which is actually A plus B, and then we require Y, which is equal to A plus B whole bar. So there are 4 possible combinations because 2 inputs are there, right? So let us say A is always 0 0 1 1, B will be 0 1 0 1. So A or B, if any one is 1, then it will be 1. So 0 0 1 1 1. Now bar of that. So remember, if there is a bar, we should replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. So here we have 0, so this will be 1. Here we have 1, so 0 again 1, 0 again 1 0. So here output for this circuit will be 1 0 0 0 for this combination of input. 1 0 0 0, exactly opposite to OR gate, right? So this is OR and NOT. So this kind of gate was given name as NOR gate. Not of OR, that is NOR gate. Clear? So this is its truth table, this is Boolean equation. Now what is circuit diagram for NOR gate? So circuit diagram is similar to OR gate only. Look, this is OR gate, 2 inputs A, B, but here we will have a bubble, and this bubble represents bar. So here Y1 will be, or Y will be equal to A plus B whole bar. Clear? Quite simple one. In the same way, instead of OR gate, if we take AND gate, let me take AND gate over here. Let us say we have 2 inputs A and B, and here we will have output Y1, which is equal to A and B. Now this output we are connecting to a NOT gate. Then here Y will be equal to Y1 bar. Here Y1 is A dot B. So you can say that Boolean equation here will be, Y is equal to Y1, that is A and B whole bar. Right. Now if you draw a truth table for this, so we have 2 inputs A and B. Then we have Y1, which is equal to A and B, and finally Y is equal to A and B whole bar. So here we'll have input 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Now what is output of AND gate? If both are 1, then only output will be 1, otherwise it will be 0. So output will be 0 0 0 1. Now bar of that, inverse of that, that will be 1 1 1 0. 0, inverse of 0 is 1, again 0 1, again 0 1, then 1 0. Right. So this gate was given name as NOT plus AND is NAND gate. This is NAND gate, and of course circuit symbol will be similar to AND gate only. So here we have an AND gate. Two inputs A and B, and here we'll have a small bubble, and here we'll have Y. Right, this is circuit symbol for NAND gate. This is its Boolean equation, y equal to A dot B whole bar or A and B whole bar, and this is its truth table, right? So this is NOT gate, this is NOR gate, and this is NAND gate. These are the three gates which we have discussed in our this video lecture. Now what we are going to do is, in our next video lecture, we are going to solve the combination of all these 5 gates. Remember, in first 2 video lectures we have discussed about OR gate and AND gate. Now here we have discussed about NOT, NOR and NAND gate, right? So these 5 logic gates we have discussed. Combination of these 5 logic gates, right, will give you different answer that we are going to discuss in our next video lecture. Remember, that will be the most important video lecture, because many examples will be from either board exam or from the entrance exam in that video lectures, which we are going to solve, right? So do watch that video. Meanwhile, keep on reading, keep on writing, and keep on preparing. Thank you.